As a homeowner in Nampa, Idaho, you understand the importance of maintaining your property, especially given the region's unique climate. From scorching summers to freezing winters, your windows play a crucial role in protecting your home and ensuring comfort. However, over time, windows can become worn, inefficient, or damaged, and that's when window replacement services come in. If your windows are showing signs of age, replacing them can offer a host of benefits. Here are the top 5 advantages of opting for window replacement services for your Nampa home. Improved energy efficiency. One of the most significant benefits of window replacement is the improvement in energy efficiency. Nampa's climate can be extreme, with summer highs often exceeding 90 degrees Fahrenheit and winter lows dipping well below freezing. Old, drafty windows or windows with damaged seals allow heat to escape during winter and warm air to enter during summer. This forces your heating and cooling systems to work harder, leading to higher utility bills. New, energy-efficient windows are designed to insulate your home better. Modern windows often feature double or triple glazing, which helps to trap air between the panes, acting as a barrier against temperature fluctuations. By replacing your windows, you'll notice a reduction in energy consumption, which translates to lower heating and cooling costs. In the long run, the investment in new windows can pay for itself through significant energy savings. Enhanced comfort throughout the year. Living in Nampa means experiencing a wide range of temperatures, from scorching summer days to chilly winter nights. If your current windows aren't performing well, you might find certain areas of your home uncomfortably warm in the summer or drafty in the winter. This inconsistency can make your living environment less enjoyable. Window replacement services can address these issues by installing high-performance windows that provide better insulation. Whether it's blocking the intense heat of the summer or keeping your home warm during the winter, new windows create a more consistent indoor temperature throughout the year. As a result, you'll enjoy a more comfortable living space, regardless of what's happening outside. Increased curb appeal and home value. First impressions matter, and the windows of your home play a major role in its curb appeal. Outdated, cracked, or faded windows can make your home look less attractive and lower its overall value. On the other hand, installing new, modern windows can instantly boost your home's exterior appearance. Window replacement can significantly enhance the look of your home by providing cleaner lines, updated styles, and better functionality. Whether you choose sleek, modern designs or classic, traditional window styles, new windows give your home a fresh, updated look. If you're planning to sell your Nampa home in the near future, replacing your windows can increase its market value and make it more appealing to potential buyers. Energy-efficient windows, in particular, are an attractive feature for homebuyers looking to save on utility costs. Improved security and safety. Older windows can pose significant security risks, especially if the locks, frames, or glass are damaged. A broken window or a faulty lock can make it easier for intruders to enter your home. In addition, older windows may not provide the same level of protection against harsh weather conditions, such as high winds, hail, or snowstorms, which are common in Nampa. By replacing your windows, you're upgrading to models that are more secure and built with modern safety features. New windows often come with stronger frames, better locks, and impact-resistant glass, providing increased protection against break-ins and severe weather. Additionally, some newer windows feature tempered glass, which is less likely to shatter upon impact, providing enhanced safety for your family. Reduced maintenance and long-term durability. Older windows, particularly wood-framed ones, require ongoing maintenance to stay in good condition. Over time, wood can warp, rot, or swell due to exposure to the elements, and paint may peel or fade. Constantly repainting, sealing, and repairing damaged windows can be time-consuming and costly. When you opt for window replacement, many modern windows are designed with low-maintenance materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials. These materials are highly durable, resistant to the elements, and require minimal upkeep. Vinyl windows, for example, won't need to be repainted, and they won't warp or rot over time. With new windows, you can spend less time maintaining your home's exterior and more time enjoying your space. Conclusion. For Nampa homeowners, investing in window replacement services offers numerous benefits, from improving energy efficiency to enhancing your home's curb appeal and safety. Whether you're looking to save on energy bills, create a more comfortable living space, or increase your property's value, new windows are a smart investment. The region's extreme weather conditions make quality, energy-efficient windows especially important, and modern windows can provide lasting durability with minimal maintenance. If your windows are showing signs of age, it's time to consider replacing them with newer, more efficient models. With the right window replacement service, you'll be able to enjoy a more secure, comfortable, and attractive home for years to come.